Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you my recent N10 system that I designed for lead generation for Product Fortune, that is US based company. And I extracted 50,000 high qualified leads for Product Fortune that obviously you can see in my Airtable sheets that they are 50,000. So I'm getting first name, their email address, their LinkedIn URL, seniority, job title, company name, location, country, their phone number, their website URL, their business industry, their last name, and then email status that is verified. So when we are scraping the leads, three parameters are very important. First of all, how much cost we are spending on the leads. Second thing, that is, are we getting the verified emails or not? The third one, are we getting the enough data for leads that we can convert them into sales? So yes, by keeping these three parameters, I designed this optimized solution that is giving me unlimited leads, how as much as I can scrap in less cost, and these 50,000 leads are just in the cost of $150. So how I designed this? So first of all, I'm using Apollo API for getting the leads in the first workflow. In the second workflow, I am using the existing database of Apollo for lead enrichment through by using Apify. And then in the third workflow, as I'm also getting the LinkedIn URL of the leads, so I'm going to the LinkedIn profiles of the leads and further like getting the data from their profiles by using Serper API. And then in the fourth workflow, I am telling that by Amplify Scrapper that the data I got from Apollo and the data I got from LinkedIn, I am enriching them for further qualification. And in the fifth workflow, what I'm doing is I'm using Tavily API for leads qualification so that we can calculate their ideal customer profile parameter. So yes, in this way, I am able to generate 50,000 leads for Protect Fortunes. Similarly, I can also extract unlimited number of leads for your business, but yes, I will generate verified and cost saving leads for your business that will actually boost your business. Thank you so much.